existential questions are not depression, anxiety, panic attacks, or burnout. And guess what? That's why they are ignored. So our educational, medical, or corporate system doesn't actually support them. Questions such as, why am I here? How can I feel fulfilled? What will I do with my life? These are the most important questions a human can ask. Yet, we don't have any support systems for people to be able to reach conclusions that can serve them in their lives. So sometimes these questions, when they are ignored for a long time or suppressed for a long time, they can become burnout, depression, panic attacks, anxiety, or other undesirable symptoms. But when the symptoms arise, if you go to a doctor, they will deal with the physical symptoms and not the cause. When I was going through these symptoms, I didn't have any support and I felt really alone in this, but I knew what was causing it somehow, even subconsciously. Since 2015, Eudaimonia has been serving people find purpose and make meaningful moves and transitions in their career in order to be able to feel fulfilled. I now know these existential questions are some of the most basic human innate needs. This is the need to self-actualize and feel fulfilled. If you want any help in starting the journey, feel free to book a free session with me for 90 minutes in order to be able to explain and support you on understanding what is going on. It's simpler than you think, and you've got all the support that is needed. Take good care, and if you've got any questions, you know where to find me.